Debugging in PyCharm allows you to track down errors in your code by inspecting the program's flow and variable states. Here's how to debug in PyCharm. Set breakpoints. Click in the gutter next to the line number where you want the program to pause. This creates a red circle called a breakpoint. Start debugging. To begin debugging, go to the top right corner of PyCharm and click the bug icon. The program will run, but it will pause at the breakpoints you've set. Inspect variables. Once the program pauses at a breakpoint, you can see the current values of variables in the Variables panel at the bottom. Hover over variables in the code to quickly view their values. Set through the code. Use the following step buttons. Step over. Execute the current line and move to the next. Step into. Dive into the function call. Step out. Exit the current function. Resume execution. Click the Resume Program button to continue running the program until it finishes or hits another breakpoint. Stop debugging. Click the red square in the top right to stop the debugging session.